take a deep breath and listen closely. If you're here, chances are you're dealing with one of the most frustrating emotions, losing someone you care about. Maybe it happened suddenly, or perhaps there was a slow drift that left you feeling confused, hurt, and unsure of what went wrong. Today, I'm going to help you navigate this, not by begging, pleading, or chasing, because that doesn't work. Instead, we'll focus on changing your approach, your mindset, and ultimately your life. This isn't just about fixing a relationship. It's about rediscovering your own value and becoming someone who naturally attracts love and respect. Trust me, this isn't the end. It's the beginning of something much bigger. Let's dive in. 1. Vulnerability versus neediness. One of the biggest mistakes men make when they feel like they're losing someone is acting out of neediness. Over-communicating, sending endless texts, or constantly apologizing. Here's the difference. Vulnerability is about being honest and authentic, like saying, "I miss you," or "I still care." This is powerful because it shows your true feelings. Neediness, on the other hand, is when you act out of desperation, chasing her, pressuring her, or trying to convince her to stay. Pressure always pushes people away. Think about it. Would you be attracted to someone constantly begging for your attention? Or would you prefer someone calm, confident, and self-assured? Be the latter. Express your feelings with strength, not desperation. 2. Boundaries create respect. Many people confuse control with boundaries, but they're very different. Control is trying to force someone to act a certain way. Boundaries, however, are about self-respect and knowing what you will and won't tolerate. When you lose sight of your own needs and bend over backward to accommodate someone else, it sends the message that your value doesn't matter. That's not attractive. Instead, establish boundaries that show you respect yourself. Boundaries don't mean being cold or distant. They mean valuing yourself enough to stand firm. This creates space for mutual respect and allows her to see you as someone worth admiring. 3. Scarcity versus abundance mindset. When you feel like you need her in your life to be happy, you're operating from a scarcity mindset. This focus on what you might lose can kill attraction. Instead, embrace an abundance mindset. Recognize your value and know that you'll be fine whether she's in your life or not. You're not chasing her because you need her. You're choosing her because you want her in your life. That subtle shift changes everything. It exudes confidence and self-respect, which are incredibly attractive. Break free from obsessive thinking. If you can't stop thinking about her, replaying conversations, or overanalyzing every moment, it's time to shift your focus. Obsessive thinking isn't about her, it's about the idea of her. Redirect your mental energy toward yourself. Build new habits, explore passions, and set exciting goals. When you shift your focus, you'll not only feel better, but you'll also naturally attract more positive outcomes, including her interest. 5. Rebuilding yourself. Here's the key. Getting her back doesn't start with her. It starts with you. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself, mentally, emotionally, and physically. Hit the gym, reconnect with friends, pursue new hobbies, and work on your career. When you invest in yourself, you become more confident and fulfilled. That energy is magnetic. You're no longer chasing her. Instead, you're building a life so compelling that she'll be curious to see what you're up to. Whether she returns or not, you'll come out of this stronger, more confident, and ready for what's next. Remember, this journey isn't just about her, it's about you. Keep growing, keep evolving, and never settle for less than what you truly deserve.